So recently, Unity increased the prices of their subscription, and that is specifically on the Unity Pro, the Unity Enterprise, and the Unity Industrial collections. The price increase for the subscription does not include the Unity Personal and the Unity Plus pricing. But again, these new changes will be effective on October 13th. And although Unity did increase the prices of its subscription for all these three plans, we do get some new features for them. So some of the new features that are added into the Unity Pro are the Unity Mars, which is Unity's attempt at augmented reality. And then we have the Havoc Physics, which is supposedly a more efficient and more performant version of physics system compared to the NVIDIA physics. And for the Unity Enterprise, we also get some additional year of long-term support if you're using a Unity LTS version. So compared to 2 years, we're now going to get 3 years of long-term support, and we also get various other support, including the read-only source code access. And the enterprise plan will also have some limited seats for the starter success, which is kind of like a technical support package where you can directly interact with Unity engineers who are involved with the development of the Unity game engine. And you also have some limited seats to have a partner relations manager, which kind of like helps you give advices on accelerating and improving your current project that you're working on. And also more than 100 seats for customers that will receive the bug handling and LTS backporting with no additional charges. This plan also includes the Unity Mars and Havoc Physics, quite a bunch of new things with the Unity Enterprise now, along with a bunch of other features that we used to get with the Unity Enterprise model. And then finally, we have the Unity Industrial Collection, which has the starter success and again the Unity Mars and Havoc Physics and most of the things that we just discussed. So this is the new price increase that Unity released. Again, for Unity Pro, it had been increased by $240, and again the Enterprise also have around $600 increase, and the Unity Industrial Collection has around $430 increase. So again, the Unity Enterprise model have some significant price increase this time, and this again will be effective on October 13th. So yeah, that's the new pricing for Unity. And again, Unity did not update this page over here. They did put this text over here mentioning that they're going to change the prices of Unity Pro, Enterprise and Industrial Collection, but after October 13, these prices will get updated. So you can still subscribe for the older prices and save some money. So overall, I don't think this price increase is that bad for most Unity developers. Most would just read this and move on since it doesn't affect them. But it does show the growing trend of Unity slowly increasing their prices and adding more subscriptions. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.